Boo, I am all over it like white on rice, okay? This is so freaking sexy. Hi my darling Lovebugs, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Brianah Maybel, and if you're an oldie coming back, then I love you, boo, for coming back or whatever. Today's video is in collaboration with Adore Me. If you've never heard of Adore Me, they're a brand that specializes in bras, panty, lingerie, swimwear, active wear. Just think of them as your go-to for anything and everything you could possibly need. Adore Me has been around for a couple of years, and I'm so excited to be partnering with them on this video. Adore Me is a subscription service, so every month you are charged $39.95 to a card of your choice in order to purchase on the site. If you cannot afford to spend Adore Me money, especially during a pandemic, at this time they are here for you. So let's say it's July and I can't do Adore Me this month. I just can't budget for it, right? Or I just don't see anything that I'm in love with. So I will choose in the month of July to skip. Basically, I have between the 1st and the 5th of the month to skip the month at no charge to myself. Also, if it is your first time that you will be shopping with Adore Me, and of course there's a pandemic going on, you order a size that might be too small or might be too large, don't have a fit, okay? There are free shipping charges and it's always free returns. Adore Me did open up some showrooms in different states. I think I have about 2 in the state of New Jersey right now. You can always go into a showroom and maybe try on things or see what you like prior to ordering. I've been using Adore Me for about 2 years now. I love it. I am absolutely obsessed with it, and I want to share with you guys what I picked up this month. All the links and all the information you need will also be down below. Let's just go ahead and talk about what I got. So as a reminder, Adore Me does sell swimwear, lingerie, PJs, active wear, anything you could think of. I am not too comfortable trying on certain things on camera, but I will try my best to show you guys what I did get. The first thing I got is this set. I love pajamas. I'm trying to replace all of my pajamas in my wardrobe. So the set looks like this. I am a lover of loose fitting, super soft materials at bedtime, unless it's lingerie, of course. This reminds me of something you would see in higher end stores because it is so well made. I love the detailing on it, and of course the shorts are equally as detailed across the bottom. This is absolutely a perfect set to keep in your wardrobe. It doesn't have too many things going on. It'll wash easily. And of course, it is super, super soft and you want to keep it that way. The next thing that I went ahead and purchased was a bathing suit. So this is one of their newer bathing suits that have recently come out. I absolutely love this bathing suit top. It fits just like a bra. It keeps my boobs up. I am true to size a 36D right about now. And it just makes my boobs look so good. This little string in the front can actually wrap around, so it's a double wrap type of top. The top of your bathing suit wraps around your neck, so it goes this way, and then of course the 2 straps down here just go around the bottom of your back. I love the flowers all over it. This would be a nice simple bathing suit to have. It is a bikini, which means that if you are a little curvy and you're not comfortable with your tummy, it will be out and exposed everywhere. The bottoms just look like this. They have ties on the side. They're not cheeky, they are not high-waisted, but I would say that if you have a little bit more booty in the tootie, you might want to size up on your bottoms. But I just figured this is such a beautiful set. It will be perfect for vacations and or just the summertime in general, as it's nice and nude, simple colors. This top is just giving me life. It's giving me everything. I'm so excited to wear this out and show you guys on my Instagram. So the next items I got would be considered more of like your Risqué kind of bra and panty set, or some people would even consider it lingerie, especially if you're wearing a robe like the one I have on. So I love the color pink. I also love the color black. I'm a 36D and this is very true to size. You guys know I am crazy about black and pink. Boo, I am all over it like white on rice, okay? This is so freaking sexy and adorable and cute at the same time. The cupping feels super soft, and that's something I was very excited about. And I do like the detailing of that lace. Like, isn't that gorgeous? It is a natural bra, so of course it has adjustable straps, but you could totally wear this as lingerie on your special date night or that special kind of quarantine night that you just want to, you know, turn up the heat a little bit for your special someone. It comes with the matching panties. I normally wear an 8 or a 10 in my pants just because of the little extra skin in the pouch. So I got my panties in a large as well. So they have the lace detailing around the front as well as on the back on the booty cheeks, the booty butt cheeks, girl. The panties look just like this. This set is so simple to throw on. It is definitely nighttime and daytime appropriate with the black as the main color and contrast in this look. I'm extremely excited for this bra just because if you had a regular black thong, you can wear it with this as well. I love Adore Me thongs, just so you know. If you had a black thong, you can wear this with this as well. You can go for briefs, you can go for hipsters, you can go for thongs. It just depends on the set and what they have as options. So I believe this set came with the option to do the thong, but I went against it because I just wanted to have something that I could wear during the day and or night. If I was going on a daytime date with my special someone, or if I was going to turn up the heat at night. So that is something that I did go ahead and choose off of the website. I just feel like this color and the variations of this bra set is essential to women. If you get the 2 different options of underwears with this, I totally would say go for it, girl, just because then you'll have the option of, hey, I might wear my thong at night, but I wear my hipsters in the daytime if it's that type of date, and it makes you look so good. Let's go ahead and jump to the next item. The next set that I got is actually a little bit out of my comfort zone. I wanted to try something different, something that would make me feel empowered as a woman, but something that will complement my skin tone really well. I normally would not buy this type of bra set because it's kind of hard putting clothes on top of it, especially if it's see-through clothes. So you have to be very careful. However, this set complements me so well. It makes me feel so empowered, so feminine, that I wanted to share it with you guys. But it is so beautiful, I just couldn't say no. It is this canary yellow bra set. It is so gorgeous, so well made, and so pretty. It also has this little pocket in the bra area, so I guess it's giving you extra padding at the bottom, being that you never know where your nipple's gonna show. Some of us are against that type of thing. It just looks so good on my skin tone. If you are of a tanner skin color, I would definitely tell you to go ahead and purchase this just for that pop that you will be able to give it. It is so gorgeous. The panties that I went ahead and did look like this. The panties are equally as sexy, equally as fun. I love the lace detailing on the front of them. This can totally be worn as a sexy little something. I would totally use this for daytime fun, or I'll just keep this in my drawer just because I want to feel good. You know, nothing makes you feel better than having a matching panty and bra set, girls. I was raised on matching panties and bras. My child, if it's a girl, will be raised on matching panties and bra. It just makes you feel great. And the funny thing about it is my mom also raised me on that because she said if you ever got in a car accident, God forbid, or if anything ever happened to you and they had to take off your clothes, at least you were prepared for someone to have to touch your undergarments. And I 100% live by that every day of my life. I figure this is so pretty, so girly, so feminine, and you know, it's just gonna really look good on my skin, especially as I get darker as the summer continues. I just could not be more happy that I went ahead and did this because when I put it on, I felt so good, you guys. I can't even lie about it. This next set is actually something my significant other chose for me. It does cover the tummy tum, but it does look so amazing. I'm gonna talk to my plus size ladies, or my ladies who have a fuller figure, or my curvier ladies at that point. We have a little bit more that we might wanna hide, or we have a little bit more curves that we wanna accentuate, right? So this bra just alone made me drool. I found it so sexy. My girlfriend picked it out and I was like, okay, I'm down. Let's do this, boo. This bra is just so adorable. It is a navy blue set. It can go under any and every type of outfit that you can imagine wearing it with, or it'll make a great little showstopper that special night in. This is what the front of the bra looks like. And on the back, it has a couple different hooks and latches. It's much more of a bustier kind of a thing. However, it is still a push-up effect on the bra. I'm probably not using the right term, so please forgive me, but this is just the way I could think of explaining it in my eyes. I love the hook details. I love the lace. Lace is my jam, girls. Okay, you do have to be careful if you have some nails though, because you might tear your lace. I definitely want to just go ahead and tell you guys, do not dry your bras, especially when you have lace. So much detail, you want to make sure that your bras have room to breathe. Go as far as to wash your bras and delicate that have lace and certain details and keep them in their own wash. This is so pretty. I love the fact that it's a little bit of thicker straps, so it does have a statement. It does make a statement for you. But then when you go to the panties, these panties are exactly the reason why I said my curvier ladies or my plus size ladies would like these better. I'm not going to do it justice by holding it up, but I'm pretty sure you can see it on the model. So this area right here would hook around the top of your waist. I like to put this where my waist is. If you want to put it just below your waist, you totally can. And then this would show all the way down to your stomach. The bottom goes around your hips. So if you could see it, I hope you can. Of course, if you click the link below, it'll give you much better details on how it looks on a person. But this set is just absolutely gorgeous, guys. I can't say that enough. So this is an example of how it looks on your body. A very horrible example because obviously your waist is higher than where my arms are putting it. But I just feel like this is just gorgeous. It makes you look gorgeous. It almost looks like a full lingerie set. I would totally put some cream or white stockings with it to accentuate it a little bit, or maybe wear some nude stockings and nude heels if you're trying to go extra sexy that night. This is my favorite set that I have ordered. They paid so much attention to the detail of this set. They did so well in the construction of it. I just love it so much, and I hope you guys will too. Again, this is linked down below, and again, you do want to measure yourself before you purchase anything, but everything right now is true to size. I can say that anything I bought from Adore Me has been true to size. The last item I bought from Adore Me is something that I absolutely had to touch and steal as soon as I saw it. It comes in a black, a red, and a white, and of course I got the white. It is so sexy. It is a corset set, so the thong comes with it, okay? If you are getting married soon and you don't want to break the bank, I totally would say go ahead and purchase this set for yourself. New users for Adore Me get a special discount off their first order. This bustier is so sexy. It just does not do the camera justice. My favorite part is actually the back of it. I love that it has the ribbons like back in the day when there were maids in waiting and you know, balls and things of that sort. I just feel so feminine and so cute in this. Do not be afraid of if it doesn't fit. Of course, you can always return or exchange it for free with Adore Me. I just think this is such a beautiful set. I'm sorry if the camera's not doing it enough justice. I can just see the person salivating at you that you choose to wear this set for. I just can't. I just can't. I would love to see this on so many different type of women. So if you do go ahead and buy the set, make sure that you at me on Instagram at Brianah Maybel so I can see this on you. And then, you know, we just gotta empower each other because you should feel sexy. And no matter what you wear, no matter what size you are, no matter what race you are, you just, girl, you put this on, I guarantee you're gonna look like a bad boo. A bad, because I can't curse. I guarantee you're gonna look just perfect. You're gonna look perfect, you're gonna feel perfect. I love this set. So the thong looks like this that came with this set. I've showed you almost every type of underwear in this video. I was trying to make sure that I got every type of underwear. The thong looks like this. It has the lace detailing that the corset has, and of course it goes all the way towards the back. It's not too thin of a thong, but of course you will be showing them booty butt cheeks if you have to, okay? I think the construction of the thong is also really nicely made. It is nice and thick on the band, so you won't feel like you rip it. But again, those girls who likes to wear long nails like me, we do have to be very careful because it has lace on it. And again, because it has lace, we have to what? Not dry the product. You guys are getting it. I'm proud of you, boo. I'm proud. Oh, this set, it just, woo. Girl, it speaks to me. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I picked up from Adore Me. Just be sure to follow them on Instagram, go to the website, and go ahead and check out that VIP option that I talked about in the beginning of the video for yourself. If you do go ahead and get that corset, girl, let me know, tag me, at me, so I can see it on your bodies, because I'm sure all of this would look amazing on each and every one of you. I love you guys so much. Be sure to share this with your friends so we can be friends on the weekends. Be safe, be happy, and of course be you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.